Hello and welcome to another Grandad's Travels, and today me and the lad have come up Cleethorpes. We're on the Meridian line. That side of me is the east side of the world and that side is the west, and as you can see 1,495 miles in that direction, Moscow, and 3,418 miles New York. I know where I'd rather be at the minute. Anyway, crack on and go for a little walk. Very cold today, and I mean very cold. 0 degrees. It's been fine, had the odd snow flurry. Looks like it's snowing over there though. That's towards Spear Point. Two boats out in the Umber. It's a bit bleak. Some lovely colours in the sky though. Yeah, it looks like it's snowing. Probably coming our way. Heading back to the car because I think that snow over there is coming our way, so if we can get back to the car before it arrives that would be good, but I don't know if we're going to make it. Anyway, a nice little walk, very quiet. Saying it, but some lovely colours in the sky.